How you doing, everybody? Scott Jelinek here. I am sitting outside the courthouse in Hampton getting ready for a foreclosure auction. You know, I don't normally do foreclosure auctions, but I came to this one for a specific house to see if we can get it. And I thought, since I'm coming to an auction today, I might as well take you guys along for the ride. So I just figured I'd shoot a little video and let you guys see, for those of you who haven't been to an auction, just exactly how it works. And then hopefully we end up getting the house. And if we do get the house, I'll take you afterwards to see the house and show you what I bought. If not, we'll end it there.
Does anybody have any questions about the conditions of sale or the contract? All right. My name's Sheldon Frank. I'm here to call a sale, a foreclosure sale of a property at 241 Piedmont Avenue. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Which has been advertised for sale in accordance with the deed of trust. Nobody has any questions at this point, I will open the sale for bids. Do I have an initial bid? 10,000. 12. 13,000. 15,000. 15,000. 15 going once. 15,100. 20,000. 22,000. 22,000 going once. 25,000. 25,000 going once. 25,000 going twice. I'm sorry. 27,500. 27,500. 27,500, 29,000, 29,000, 29,000 going once, 29,000 going twice, sold 30,000, 30,000, 30,000 going once, 31,000. 31,000 going once, 31,000 going once, 31,000 going twice, sold for 31,000, Mr. Jelinek. Thank you all. Appreciate you coming.
All right, guys, so we won that auction. We ended up getting it for $31,000. And my threshold on it was 35, is how much I was willing to pay. So we got a great deal. Even at 35, it was a great deal. And so now I'm going to take you out there so you can see the house and see what it is that we just purchased. This house is actually on the market right now and it's listed. Somebody already rehabbed it and it's listed for $94,000 right now, but they didn't pay their lender, which is why it was getting foreclosed on. So we're going to go drive by the house now so I can show you guys exactly what we bid on and what we just bought. All right, guys, so this is the house right here. As you can see, it is a deep royal blue, which is beautiful. I'm saying that sarcastically. Anyway, the house looks like a fantastic house. You can see there's still a for sale sign out front. This house was listed right now in mid-90s. So we just picked it up at $31,000. It's a fantastic deal. This will go into my slow flip portfolio. I'll be keeping this one long term. So I paid $31,000 for it. I got to close, I think, within 10 days. I'll end up getting $5 grand down, $875 a month. Maybe a little more than $875 because of the fact it's 4 bedrooms. It's possible maybe I get $1075 on it, but we'll see how that goes. So anyway, I just wanted to take you from start to finish, from going, on the way to the auction, at the auction, to showing you the actual house that we just purchased. And if you guys enjoy these videos, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, click the like button, share it, and I'll make some more for you. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.